Okay, next I am going to take you to the railway station. We saw a couple of dialogues happening at the bus stop. Now we are going to have a few conversations happening in the railway station. Okay, when you think of a railway station, what exactly would you think of? A busy place with people carrying luggage and going here, going there, all busy people, all running to catch the train, or some of them waiting to receive somebody at the railway station. Now, sometimes people, when they enter into the station, they are in a hurry to get into some train, but they won't know which platform they have to get in. So, they may ask somebody, or they can see the board out there, but sometimes on the board if there is an advertisement or something being displayed, they are in a hurry, so they ask a person. Now, we are going to see person A talking to person B. He has to leave by Nellai Express and he wants to know which platform to go to, because there are a lot of platforms in a railway station. Just imagine Central Railway Station, you find some 10 or 11 platforms. So, which platform to go to for that particular train? He is a little confused and he is asking somebody who goes by. Okay, shall we see? This is a dialogue between George. He is travelling with his family. He is going to Nellai and he is asking Ram. Okay, George. It so happened that he is in a hurry, he is carrying all his luggage and he was about to dash against Ram. Okay. I am sorry, sir, because he was about to dash against Ram. He is asking for, he wants him to pardon him. I am sorry, sir, I am really in a hurry. Immediately Ram says, that's okay. Are you boarding a train? Don't worry and relax. Which train are you traveling? Which train are you traveling in? For that, George says, sir, I have to take, or I have to get in the Nellai Express but I don't know which platform to go. To go. The display board is full of advertisements, or the display board is out of order, we'll say. Okay. Okay. Ram says, Nellai Express? Well, that comes to platform number 4. That comes to platform number 4. You have to take the bridge take the passenger bridge and get down on first left. George. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. So this is a very normal dialogue happening happening at a railway station, because many people, they sometimes are in a hurry to get into a train and they don't know which platform to go to, and so they are perplexed. They keep wondering. Sometimes the display board doesn't come out at all with the details, so they ask somebody going there. Okay, shall we see George and Ram? George, in a hurry with all his baggage and luggage, he goes and dashes against Ram and he says, "I'm sorry, sir, I'm really in a hurry." And Ram says, "That's okay. Are you boarding a train? Don't worry and relax. Which train are you traveling in?" Okay. And George says, "Sir, I have to get in the Nellai Express, but I don't know to which platform to go. The display board is out of order." Ram says, "Nellai Express? Well, that comes to platform number 4. You have to take the passenger bridge and get down on the first left." That is the platform bridge when you go into a railway station. It's exclusively for people who travel by train. Okay, you have to get on the first left. And George says, "Thank you, sir," and he rushes to get into the train. Okay, is that clear? So you can practice this dialogue, and you can these are the normal situations that we are discussing here at a bus stop, at a railway station and all that. Okay. Okay, now before getting into a train, a person has to book the tickets, isn't it? So now we are going to see a conversation at the booking counter. Okay, at the railway station, but at the booking counter. Now we see Sunil. He wants to get a ticket to go to Coimbatore, okay, by Kobe Express. Let's see. Okay, Sunil goes to the booking counter and he says, "Excuse me, sir, I would like to book a ticket to Coimbatore." By Nilgiri Express. Okay, the clerk. Which class would you like to book? Book, and how many tickets? Actually, we do not say book, we say reserve. Okay, let's use the word reserve here. He says book, okay, the clerical staff will not make a mistake, isn't it? Reserve. Which class would you like to reserve and how many? And how many tickets? So they usually write everything in the reservation form. So he says, please write everything, or please fill up the reservation form. Please fill up the reservation form. Okay. So Sunil says, I would like 2 tickets. I would like to reserve 2 tickets in second class non-AC. Clerk. I am sorry, sir. Or we'll just say I'm, okay. All tickets in second AC are reserved. Sunil. Then please give me first class non-AC. Okay. you have to pay rupees 875. Here's the money. Okay. Now, Sunil wants to book 2 tickets for him and his wife to Coimbatore, and he wants to go by the Nilgiris Express, okay? Nilgiri Express they say, or Blue Mountain Express. Okay, shall we read the dialogue now? Sunil goes to the booking counter and says, "Excuse me sir, I would like to book tickets to Coimbatore by Nilgiri Express." Nilgiri Express or Blue Mountain or Nilgiri or Nilgiri, okay, that is what it means. It goes to Metupalayam, okay, clerical staff. Which class would you like to reserve and how many tickets? He is asking a question. Please fill up the reservation form. Sunil, I would like to reserve 2 tickets in second class non-AC. Okay, and the clerical staff immediately checks into the files and he says, I am sorry sir, all tickets in second AC are reserved. Sunil, then please give me in first class non-AC. Clerical staff, okay, you have to pay rupees 875. Sunil, here's the money, thank you. Okay, so this is how you go and ask at a reservation counter how to book the tickets we have seen now, and this happens at the railway station.